One-click sending makes your work or game communication more convenient. Firstly, select the operation flow, and then add the steps. There are many function keys in the toolbox. We select the text function key, then input the copy text. Remember to tick the first option at the bottom. Similarly, input the subsequent steps in sequence. After completion, open the chat box. This can be achieved by simply pressing the Flow controller button. If you find the sending speed too slow, you can return and adjust the response time to achieve quick one-click sending.